Have you ever wondered why some men instantly attract attention when they walk into a room? It's not always about looks, money, or status. Psychology shows that attraction often begins with certain habits and behaviors that naturally draw people in. In fact, small changes in how you carry yourself can make women notice you almost instantly. The secret isn't trying harder, it's developing the right habits. One of the most powerful habits that creates instant attraction is confident body language. Before you even speak, your posture and movement already communicate a lot about you. Standing straight, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and maintaining calm eye contact shows self-confidence. When someone appears comfortable and secure in themselves, it naturally attracts attention. People are drawn to individuals who seem confident and at ease in any environment. Another habit that makes a strong impression is having a calm and positive energy. People can feel the emotional atmosphere someone brings into a room. When you carry relaxed, positive energy, others feel comfortable around you. Smiling naturally, being friendly, and maintaining a calm presence can make interactions feel effortless. Women often notice men who make the environment feel relaxed rather than tense. Good communication is another key habit that increases attraction. This doesn't mean talking constantly or trying to dominate the conversation. In fact, people who listen carefully often leave the strongest impression. Asking thoughtful questions and showing genuine curiosity about the other person creates a sense of connection. When someone feels heard and understood, conversations become more meaningful. Another important habit is taking care of your appearance. This doesn't mean wearing expensive clothes or following every fashion trend. It simply means being well-groomed and organized. Clean clothing, a neat hairstyle, and basic hygiene signal self-respect. When someone takes care of themselves, it reflects discipline and confidence, which are qualities many people naturally find attractive. A sense of purpose is another trait that often attracts attention. People who have goals, passions, and direction in life tend to stand out. When someone speaks about their interests with enthusiasm, it creates curiosity and admiration. Purpose shows that a person is motivated and focused on personal growth rather than seeking constant approval from others. Humor also plays an important role in attraction. Light, natural humor can make conversations enjoyable and reduce social tension. You don't need to be a comedian or constantly try to be funny. Simple, playful comments or sharing something amusing can create a positive atmosphere. When people laugh together, it strengthens emotional connection and makes interactions memorable. Another habit that increases attraction is emotional awareness. This means paying attention to how others feel and understanding social situations. People who are emotionally aware know when to listen, when to joke, and when to give someone space. This awareness makes conversations smoother and more comfortable. It also shows maturity and respect, which are highly attractive qualities. Finally, one of the most attractive habits is authenticity. Many people try to act differently when they want to impress someone, but pretending usually feels forced. Authenticity means being comfortable with who you are and expressing yourself honestly. When someone is genuine, their presence feels natural and trustworthy. People are more likely to connect with someone who feels real rather than someone who is trying too hard. In reality, attraction is rarely about one single trait. It's usually a combination of small habits that, together, create a confident and engaging presence. Confident body language, positive energy, good communication, self-care, purpose, humor, and authenticity all work together to shape how others see you. When these habits become a natural part of your behavior, you won't need to chase attention. Instead, people will start noticing the confidence and energy you bring into the room, and attraction will happen naturally.